Hello, welcome to Fort Stewart-Hunter Army Airfield, home of the 13th Infantry Division. I'm the Director of Emergency Services, and today I'll discuss our mission, our team, Visitor Control Center, and weapons registration. Our DES mission, simply put, is protecting the Rock of the Marne. Our DES team consists of our law enforcement branch, which is our military police and the Department of the Army Civilian Police, our Department of the Army firefighters, our 911 emergency dispatchers, our physical security branch, which is our Department of the Army security guards, and we also have our conservation law enforcement officers here, part of our DES mission. For our Visitor Control Center, I'm currently standing at Gate 1, and behind there is our Visitor Control Center to access Fort Stewart, Georgia. Our hours there are 05 to 1700 Monday through Saturday, and 09 to 1600 on Sundays. We also have a Visitor Control Center at Hunter Army Airfield, and their hours are 07 to 1800 Monday through Saturday, and 09 to 1600 on Sundays. You can download the digital Garrison app, which has all of our gate hours and also the latest policies and regulations for visitors. Currently, Fort Stewart-Hunter Army Airfield is not a trusted traveler installation, and all guests need to be registered, and we'll also do a 100% scan when you come to the gate. Again, welcome to Fort Stewart, Georgia, Hunter Army Airfield, Rock of the Marne.